Hi everyone! I just pulled up to my destination and I thought I'd go over this really quickly. I've got a 2021 RAV4 and I don't like this feature. So when you put it into park, the door unlocks. So while I'm trying to get all my stuff together, I'm sitting in the car unlocked, and I don't like that. So I always reach down and press lock, but I thought there has to be a way to remedy this. So I looked in here. So you go here and you press home. You press menu and setup, and you do down arrow to vehicle, and then vehicle customization, door lock settings, and then this is the one, automatic door unlock by shift to park. So we're gonna say off, and let's see if that works, because I want to leave my doors locked unless I want them unlocked. So we're gonna pretend like we're driving. Put it back in drive, right? It's in lock right now. Pretend like we just pulled up to our destination. Put it in park, and it remains locked. Fantastic. All right, I hope everyone's having a great day. Thank you for watching.